Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens. And today is a pretty easy little episode. We have overwintered our peppers, and now that it's springtime, it's time to take them out and to put them up. Do you know what that means, Marley, to overwinter your peppers?
No.
Do you, Jabe? No? Okay. So peppers are a perennial if you treat them like one. So you've got to take your pepper out of the pot, or you got to put it in the pot, take it out of the ground, trim it down, put it in a sunny window over the winter time, water it. One of them died because we didn't water it. And then bring them back out in the springtime. It is super, super easy. But everybody thinks that you plant your peppers and then they die and then you plant new peppers. But you don't have to do that. So come with us and check out how our peppers did. If you did not see the fall video where we did this, if you look right up here, then there it'll be, okay? And check that out because it's super cute. Because we've got a big helper who helped pull lots of leaves off and pick lots of peppers. What do you guys think?
I'm bored.
He's bored. All right, bye.
I'm the cat now.
Okay. So here they are. They've been in the guest house in the southern facing window, getting lots of light. We had 4. One didn't make it. Like I said, a freeze came through, like a really bad ice storm. So it didn't get too cold in here, but it got so icy and nasty that I didn't get to come in here and water them. Really easy though. I mean, I just put a cup of water on, and I'm a literal coffee cup. You know, just a coffee cup of water, throw it in there once a week. And they've done okay. This one even has little blooms.
My name is Jaden. I'm watering my dad's plants. I'm watering these onions. Not onions, I'm sorry. Is there anything in those alive?
These are potatoes. They haven't came up yet.
Okay. Is this a good amount?
Yeah, and then put water in the basins in the bottom of them.
Oh, okay.
There you go. So these guys are going to get plenty of water. And they're just going to pop right back up because of the warm weather. And that is it. It's pretty simple, guys. So all we did, if you don't feel like watching the last video, is we trimmed them back. We left them in their pots. We moved them inside. They need to get at a minimum 6 hours of sunlight a day. Maximum. Minimum. They need a minimum 6 hours of sunlight a day. And they need to be watered. I said every week, but we watered them about every 2 weeks. Maybe every 3 weeks. But then again, one died. So I'd water them every week to every 2 weeks. Keep them inside. Let them get that southern facing sunshine. Minimum of 6 hours a day. And I cannot wait to see these guys bounce back. It is April here, and we are going to have a big head start just due to the rootstock and due to the stalk. You know, they got some age on them. I believe you can get 2 years, 3 years out of your peppers. We're going to try this again and again and again. I'm going to run it like a little experiment. Let's see how old we can get them. Let's see how big we can get them before they, finally peter out. Well, we'll see. This one, sweet chocolate. That's the only one that Sterling didn't pull the name tag out of. So excited to see what comes out and what comes up. And then check out last week's video. That was these potatoes. So, all right.